Have you ever thought about the number of sales you were missing out on just because you were not there to explain your products or services? You could not interact with your potential buyers in person and they didn't get to know you. The personalized experience was missing, which is very important to close any deal. The engagement was very poor. Business online is all about converting your traffic into customers. It's all about making it easy for them to buy your products or services. And in today's world, it's ever more important to have a real-time, fast interaction to retain and close any lead. Do you know? Customers who interacted with you in live interactions are 85% more likely to buy. 51% of consumers say a business needs to be available 24/7. 92% of customers feel satisfied when they have a live interaction with you. Live conversation on your website increases conversion rate by at least 3 times. In a recent study conducted by American Marketing Association, it's found that customers who use live chat are 3 times more likely to convert. And the average ROI when you start using live chat can be up to 305%. But guess what? That's just the beginning. If you simply add real-time video and audio chat on your website, these stats can rise exponentially. Here is why you should have a live audio and video chat on your website. Number 1. Just by having live video chat on your website, you can increase trust by 70%. Number 2. After having a live video chat, 96% of people will remember your brand. Number 3. Live call makes it super easy for customers to contact you. Number 4. Live call can increase revenues by 5 times. Number 5. Video call can provide a more satisfying customer experience. Number 6. Video call increases the chances that website visitors will contact you. Number 7. Live call can boost your marketing efforts. Number 8. Your business looks more sophisticated. Number 9. Audio call is very less expensive than paying for toll-free phone calls. Number 10. 44% of online consumers say that having questions answered by a live person during an online purchase is one of the most important features a website can offer. There are many chat widgets available in the market, but you miss out on a lot by engaging with them in just a chat. Have you ever tried Skype or Zoom to close a deal? 2 billion minutes of Skype calls are made every day. It's not only for family and friends anymore. 60% of hiring managers have conducted a job interview through video chat. 37% of Skype users have used the platform for business purposes. 7% of doctors video chat with their clients. 36% of customers use real-time video chat with customer support. But the problem is still not solved. To have a call on Skype or any other tool is not spontaneous. Money loves speed. If you can have a video call from your website with all your potential customers, you can make more money by closing deals and saving your time too by avoiding long text chat. Well, you're in luck. Welcome to Xmarketer, world's first machine learning-based video and audio calling platform for your website. Now convert your website visitor to customers 5 times faster. With power of video and voice calls, you can close sales within minutes. Xmarketer not only provides you instant audio and video call, but you get access to important customer data like the pages they engage with, the amount of time spent on your website, their geographic location, if they are a returning visitor or new leads, the search keywords they use while looking for your website to improve your SEO. You will be amazed how Xmarketer seamlessly fits your brand and color. Let me show you how Xmarketer works. In this demo video, I am going to show you how to configure and use Xmarketer Suite to engage with your website users. Once you have received credentials for your Xmarketer account, you can visit app.xmarketer.io to set up your workspace. On the login screen, you can enter your email ID and your password, and then click on Login button to activate your Xmarketer account. After successful verification, you will be taken to the activation page where you can set up your workspace. Your workspace is like your personalized dashboard. It will be hosted on a unique subdomain and will be accessible through a unique URL. Here, you can enter a name for your workspace. It can be the name of your website or your company. The first step is to set up the Xmarketer Messenger on your website. With Xmarketer Messenger, you can have live audio calls with your customers, have face-to-face conversations, send and receive voicemails and video mails directly from your website. To set up the Messenger, you need to copy and paste the script on your website, HTML pages, your checkout page, landing page, or any other page where you feel your user would benefit by talking to you directly. Once you deploy your website with Xmarketer Messenger script, this is how the Messenger is going to look to your potential users. Your users can simply click on the Xmarketer button on the right bottom corner of your website to open and close the Messenger. You can now start having real-time conversations with your potential buyers or send them recorded messages. In the second step, you can see the URL of your knowledge base. Your unique knowledge base was created as soon as you activated your workspace. You can open this link to see your live knowledge base in action. You can share a link of your knowledge base on your website and with your customers. You can add frequently asked questions on this page to answer commonly asked questions. Your customers can also raise tickets from here, which you can resolve from your workspace. With these two simple steps, you are now ready to take full advantage of your Xmarketer workspace. In business, customers' trust is key to your success. You can make the day of your customers by offering them the deal of the day with your personal touch, which is priceless. This one-time investment you are going to make for Xmarketer is only during the special charter launch only, after which it goes to its rightful recurring price. Therefore, I highly recommend you click the Buy Now button below now, or check out the rest of the features and demo of the revolutionary software on this page. Either way, make sure you take action now before the next price bump. The Xmarketer team is waiting to assist you and welcome you into your exclusive members area. Thank you.